Hello, myself Rahul Kushwa from SAS Institute of Management Studies. Today my topic is a chemical trading company. I have given my company name as a RK Chemical Industries. I would like to give some introduce about my company. The RK Company Industry is an ISO certified company established in the year 1998. It has an innovative specialty chemical performance chemical company that produce and supplies a technology that improves the quality and performance of our customer product in the global transportation in the industrial and consumer markets. As a technology and customer driven company, quality chemicals industries and has helped their customer achieve a higher level of satisfaction by providing a solution that enhance the product quality. The company offers a wide and unmatched range of products, which includes the industrial specialty chemicals. The company has not modern and manufacturing facility with well-equipped laboratory to maintain an international standard of quality. Our R&D quality facility processes the last equipment in product development is staffed by scientists who are among the best in their field. Product with special requirements can be synthesized at our house R&D center. Our continuous attempt is to achieve excellence through our well-equipped research development facility and attain a technology upgradation. And innovation towards a quality and cost reduction has been backbone of our enhancing success. Indian chemical industry overview. We can see the overview of our Indian chemical industry. 12th largest comes in the world and third in Asia. Indian chemical industries in pharma total contribution is $225 billion in 2020. It can cross around 2015 to 2022 is amount 10.8%. Market is expected to grow 750 billion till the 2025. Evolve from being a basic chemical producer to also offering a specialty and fine chemical products. Here we can see in the graph chart that how the chemical sector is stabilized and day by day increasing their turnover. Indian chemical industry segmentation. Industry divided into three segmentation: knowledge, specialty, and basic. The basic chemical, specialty, fine chemicals, and knowledge chemical. Basic chemicals 57% and specialty and fine chemical knowledge is around 43%. API is a pharmaco formulation for a pharma. Dyes and pigments, paints and inks, adhesive, flavors and fragrance and agrochemicals. The Indian segment of market growth. As we can see, to 2011 to 2020, the market growth has been increasing day by day. Due to coronavirus, in 2020, the market has little bit low as compared to 2019. In 2011, the market was $374 billion, and it comes to 2020 the market comes to $1,326. We can see the in chemical industry sector has given the various competition to the other countries also. Import export scenario of Indian chemical industry. The Indian chemical industry export scenario is increasing day by day. We can see it's a downtrend due to the coronavirus in 2020 because of COVID-19. So our export has been shut down due to the pandemic. In 2021, the export has been bull in our market. So a small trader also started doing the export in international markets. Indian fine chemical industry represented 43% of total Indian chemical industry. Market size is around $174, forecasted to grow a CGR of $15, double to the growth of global fine chemical industry. Export fine chemical industry forecast of $4 billion in 2020 and $13 billion in 2020. Per capita consumption in India still be below world average. As we can see, the in 2016, the our credit growth is revenue growth is 5.6, 5.9 in 2017, for 4.8%. Then it grow up to 6.9, then 10.2%. Then it comes under to 6.0%. The Indian pharmaceutical industry overview. India is among the fastest growing pharmaceutical market in the world. The domestic pharmaceutical market sector recorded a sale of US 7.3 billion in 2020, grew up by 17.5 billion dollar. Indian pharmaceutical industry in the 8 terms of volume, 13 terms of value due to the low drugs value. The Indian pharmaceutical during doing the excellent job. They have we have the various pharmaceutical companies such as Lupin, Cipla, some pharmas. They are also developing the API products, and also made a vaccination of uh, just like a COVID shield. Export the core of Indian pharmaceutical. The total export revenue is 20 to 21 is 5.2 billion. Bulk drugs is 2.8 billion, 54%, and finished drug formulation is around 2.4 billion. Revenue from the FDF exported to reach 91.5 billion and suppressed through the API is 85.7 billion. Till by 2025 to 30, we are also expected those to the domestic market also. There are top 10 countries in import and export. Those were dealing in a bulk quantity. First comes under the United States, then Germany, Italy, France, Russia, China, Switzerland, Japan, and Netherlands. India. India comes on a 10th level. Our product list that we are exporting in an international market is sulfuric acid, titanium dioxide, aluminum carbide, carbon black, caustic soda, and hydrochloric acid. Product in organic industry, the chloride is 0.2 billion, the calcium chloride is 0.3 billion, and others are at 0.25 billion. Caustic soda is around $1 billion, soda is 0.5 billion, sulfuric acid is 0.3 billion. This all market segments are there in inorganic industries. Sulfuric acid grows are increasing day by day. You can see in 2019 is 300 metric ton we are exporting. Now it comes to 2024, 415 metric ton is we are exporting per day. Agrochemical industry, global agrochemical market is 2020 was 33,577 meter. Source of agrochemical executive review Agrona. India fourth largest producer of agrochemical industry after US, Japan, and China. India is the second largest producer of pesticides in Asia. India exported pesticides for approximately 2,500 crores. Total average chemical market is around 45 crores, 4,500 crores. Concept of chemical raw material is specially delineated investment regions, area of around 650 square meters, covering a manufacturing facility, isolated services in infrastructure, including the seas, free trade and warehouse zones, industrial park, EOU units or growth center, duly notified and existing industrial cluster. Refinery feedstock company and as an anchor tenants, developer and co-developer to build and develop internal infrastructure, external linkage to be provided by central government and by the considered state government, user to pay use of infrastructure except when supported through the budgetary resources. Developer will develop a build, design, maintain and operate a part of whole infrastructure facility in PCPR. Selection of developer through a transparent process. Developer benefits of tax holiday under section 81A of IT Act. Eligibility for a location. Any chemical industry supporting the services in the area of manufacturing, stocking, trading, including logistics and utilities. Dispute resolution through the arbitration. And innovation. Indian chemical industry specialty in the petrochemical specialty, pharma, biotech experiencing a significant growth possibility. Time to collaborate between India and US both in manufacturing and trade. Invitation to US company to invest in India and experiencing a growing market with a huge untapped potential. 2021 retail pest analysis around P stand for a political. In political, we can see the trade warrior tariffs is also increasing in import and export. Trade instructions are there in the chemical industries. New US administration coming day by day. Brexit protection policies. Many red zone chemical product. We have the protection policies are also implemented. 10 incentives are given to the domestic reshoring. Those who are exporting. Export in international market, the government gives the incentive to those companies. Non-essential stores shut down possible legal control stamps. E stands for economic, global research risks, job losses, federal stimulus packages, widening income disparity, value shopping rising, luxury shopping rising, unstable major economics, decline of department stores, malls, and commercial real estate, retail consolidation, social. Most protects of COVID-19 health safety risks all doing the supply chain, more working from the work from home, sudden simultaneous sustainability should be there in the market, purpose and lead brands, diversity and inclusion, health and on wellness, low consumer confidence. E-commerce fuels supply pickup of valuable no, mobile pay and fast delivery. E-grocery step change. Small brands go online. Global automation, 5G and big data robotics. Tech giants want a piece of e-commerce jackpots. Indian chemical industry SWOT analysis. Same congestion of driving growth, rising income, competitive labor, manufacturing. Now, vibrant downstream industry, quality human resources, high feedback stock, high energy and finance cost, poor infrastructure, high incidence of taxes, fragmented industries. Opportunity, we have the various opportunities, just like a large domestic market, low per capital congestion, increasing investment in downstream. Make in India campaign has been introduced by the Narendra Modi ji. Improve the infrastructure investment, low cost productions, Gulf China, FTAs with the various countries, price volatility of crude oil, strong environmental regulation, research regulation, reduce the custom duty. I would like to conclude myself. The manufacturer should consider a green chemical and a strategic goal for a business growth. The manufacturer should collaborate with the industries and an expert trader partner for effective sourcing, and leadership should gain the organization's culture to strategy in green chemical industries. Thank you.